Hello class, Lane Harvey here to talk to you guys about APA citations, just a general rules of thumb on that and how to make sure you're doing it the right way and in the right order. I chose to do my theory on the privacy management theory. I chose this because I think it's important in a workplace environment for your superior or your CEO or boss to be able to maintain confidentiality and privacy if a worker needs to talk to them about a personal matter, is going through something, they need to be able to understand that their superior will be able to uphold that confidentiality and make sure that they feel better about this situation, knowing that it will be kept private. I also think about this information based off a team setting. So if a player is feeling down or is going through something, he's able to go talk to his coach, understanding that his coach will keep that privacy between them and keep their conversation in wraps and just uphold that confidentiality and help the player through whatever situation he's going through. But in terms of the actual APA citations, I found this article regarding privacy management theory, but this is also talking about family communication and emphasis on that. But a general rule of thumb for APA citations is if there's one author, it's last, first, middle, two authors, last, first, middle, the year of publication, title of work, subtitle, period, city and state, publisher. For the online article that I found, this is the main references that we'll be doing. So as you can see, I kind of make a template with what I need, and then I enter the actual information pertaining to my article. So it's last, first, middle, year of publication, period, article title, period, journal title, comma, volume, comma, page numbers, period, the date you received, the date you found that article, period, then your URL. So as you can see from mine, here's what mine looks like in that order. For an internal text with an in-text citation with no direct quote, you have the last name and then year of publication, all in parentheses. So Petronio 2004. If you're looking to have direct quotes in a citation, you have your actual quote and last name, comma, year of publication, comma, page number, all in parentheses. So there's what mine looks like right there. Then a couple other notes regarding citations. You want to alphabetize by last name. If two authors have the same last name, then you go by their first initial, figure out what the alphabetical order would be. And then finally, you only capitalize the first letter of the title and the first letter of the subtitle and any proper nouns. So as you can see in mine here, the title was Road to Developing Communication Privacy Management Theory. Subtitle is Narrative in Progress. Please stand by. So as you can see, I only capitalized the R in the main title, and then the subtitle I only capitalized the N. So hopefully these templates and these examples help you guys understand how to do APA citations a little better. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.